Quick tip for you guys. On most leg press machines, you usually have the option to increase or decrease the incline angle. And you've probably wondered which one is best. The big difference here is that once you increase the angle or put the seat up as high as possible, you'll be starting from a more hip flexed position than if you had the seat in the lower position. What this means is when you start descending down, you're going to find yourself hitting your limit for range of motion much earlier. You'll be able to lift more weight and might even find it more comfortable to press with the seat up high like this. But that's because you're decreasing the range of motion overall. It's the same as doing a barbell back squat and doing it to full depth versus doing a quarter or a half squat. The half squat or decreased range of motion on a leg press is not necessarily bad, but if you're looking at getting as much stimulation in your glutes, your adductors and your quads, you'll want to take those muscles through as much of a range of motion as possible, which will usually mean lowering the seat back to its lowest setting available. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind here is that you will need to decrease the weight if you're not used to doing the leg press with the seat reclined back, and you might not be used to the extra range of motion. And you might start to feel yourself wanting to pull your bum back up off the seat as you go deeper. Avoid doing this by making sure you control your descent and by keeping your body firmly braced into the seat by pulling on the handles for extra support. And hey, if you don't like it and prefer it with the seat up, that's completely fine as well. Do whatever you want, but if you do give it a shot, let me know how you go with it, and I'll see you guys next time.